connects two timelines, 15 years apart, making Karen and Lex connected through a dating app. As they discover that they live in different years, they try to change the past to have a better future, but every change of the past leads to undesirable effects in the future. So this is Karenina Karen Lopez, Francine Diaz, of course, a business graduate, daughter of Tony and Pam with brother Troy. Her parents are separated for 15 years, and she's living with her mom, Troy, and her stepfather, Miguel. Soon, she meets Lex through an online dating app. This is Alexander Lex Ramos, Fidelity, a fine arts graduate, the only son of Rika and Erwin. He lives well-off life where he gets everything he needs and wants. But being the only child of his parents gives him some emptiness inside his heart. Later, she meets Karen through an online dating app. So this is Miguel Christian Vasquez, the stepfather of Karen, a car dealer. He's longing for the acceptance of Karen as part of the family. This is Tang Alvira Mula, the mother of Karen, separated to Tony 15 years ago and now with Miguel for 12 years. Troy Bonbon, he is the younger brother of Karen, a funny, energetic teenager, lovable brother and son. This is Vika Mispiri O'Hara, the mother of Lex, a retired doctor, a loving mother, and will give everything to Lex. And this is Erwin Pilbodi Pasqua, father of Lex, a retired doctor, a supportive father to Lex. And Marcus Madrigal, the biological father of Tony, the biological father of Karen, separated from Pam 15 years ago. And the other cast are, we have Mosang Asperns, the housemate of Lex, and Paco, Vance Larena, relative of Lex. Yun po yung pinaka-synopsis and description ng characters ng bawat isang character na ngayon.